How's it going, guys? This is Sean with XS Power Batteries. Today I'm bringing you kind of a special offer here. So I wanted to set apart and set out some of the different options that we have as far as our 30 series housing. Now that's very popular in side-by-sides, big bagger bikes, and just your regular daily rider bikes. Nothing out of the ordinary, all the way to your higher wattage, true biggest stereo level. So we're gonna start off real simple. We're gonna start off with our XV30Q. Now I like to call that Extreme Value 30Q. Basically, this is your starting bike, very simple, no radio type bike. You can have a factory head unit or a stock head unit, but as far as any aftermarket components, that would need to belong in these. This one's great for saving 10, 15 pounds off your bike, starting it with no problem. This one is AGM charger safe. So one of our HF or Li-1208s would be perfect for those. Again, this is not an audio battery, but it does encompass our quad terminals. You can expect a life expectancy on this one right here of over 10 years with a direct drop-in with no changes needed. So great opportunity. And this one comes in right around $400. So keep an eye out for that. Next, we're gonna go to our PSX30Q. Now this is a great option right here. This one is a lithium charger version, so we require a lithium charger. It's a 3,000 watt version, so half of the big one. Comes in right around $430 to $440 with a 1-year warranty, as per all of these do. Cool thing about this one, it does incorporate our quad terminals, so no need to try and put your terminals on the side, like you see some installations. What you'll see on this one, you drop it right on top, connect your terminals, and go ride and listen to your music. This one is roughly 13 amp hour, which is roughly 39 amp hour equivalent of AGM. So if you've got a 40 amp hour AGM battery, you're gonna see the similar performance. Again, this was 3,000 watts, comes in less than $440. Great option. Your last one is an Li-S30Q. We've already kind of been over this one. This is our bad boy. This is our 6,000 watt, 26 amp hour direct drop-in. The highest wattage rated one on the market today. Requires a lithium charger, comes in right around 15 pounds. Quad terminals, it is a perfect option for your high-powered audio application. Those are our three. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. I'm Sean at XS Power. Talk to you soon.